Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm about to show you a pre-owned unit. It's a 2024, and it is absolutely in perfect condition. Perfect. It's a Rockwood, and it is a Geo. I don't know if you know anything about them, but they are made so well, and the only reason why this one is brought back is because they needed something a little bit bigger. They've got kiddos, dogs, they were growing, but they got this one and realized that it was just a little too small, but it is a perfect unit for those that are looking for something that is not only built well, but maybe it is a bunkhouse, so it has room for at least 5 people to sleep, maybe even more. But let's take a look from the outside in, and you guys tell me what you think. Geo Pro by Rockwood. It is again a 2024. The model is 20BHS. It does have one slide, and it is a smaller unit, but you can see it's fiberglass. It's got a beautiful, like a long awning. It has speakers outside as well, and of course you can hook up your TV here. It's got your LP connect down here, and then it has a little area for I believe it has a table that can go here, so you can put your TV right there on that as well. You got your backup camera prep, but this unit is it's brand new. It doesn't even look like it has a scratch on it. So I'm excited to show you because of how it is. I don't think anybody has ever been in it, but maybe one time. So right away, first of all, you notice because of that slide, you have so much space right here. Right over here, we've got our dinette. Okay, now of course this turns into a bed, but as you can see, or I hope you can see, it is in great condition. You put this down, you can make it into a bed. You can also make it into a couch, a nice big couch. Put these in the back right here. And you can have a couch over here for the kiddos, and of course have that nice big dinette. It is much longer, and it takes up that slide, which gives it that length, it's a really nice size. Plus you have storage in the bottom as well. Over here you've got your bed. It looks like a queen size, plus storage underneath. You have cubbies at the top, and I love these windows. I love the natural light that it gives. And then over here, you've got your entertainment that can swivel for this bed, but also over here for the dinette. So it can turn around, and y'all can, if you're using it as a couch, then you can have that TV swivel right over here so that everybody can see. You can put your phone over here to charge, plus you have the plugins as well. So nice little table area to put your phone, to put your cup, to put your books, or whatever it might be that you want to put down. You have that option. Over here you've got your kitchen, which again, a really nice size. It's perfect for this unit. You got storage on the bottom, storage on the top, a nice size sink right here. I think it's actually just perfect for this little unit. You got a 3-burner, an oven, and you do have a microwave over here. You've got a nice size fridge. So this is definitely going to hold all your goods. I love this little fridge. It's perfect for this unit. You got a nice size freezer as well. All your goods will fit in here. Plus, you've got a little pantry right here as well. Magnet definitely works. Now this pantry, of course, you can take this out. You can also use this to hang up clothes if you needed to. But it is a nice size pantry that goes all the way from the top to the bottom. And it looks like you have another area right there and right here. So love it. You've got 2 twin size beds right here, and you do have an easy access exit door right there with a window, and a little bit of privacy with these curtains as well. A nice, I love this window right here. I love how much natural light you get in this unit itself. But these are comfy. They are nice and thick. But a lot of space right here for little kids. Even I could fit on here as an adult. So, and again, super comfy. So plenty of room right there. And then of course that natural light is always nice. And it does have lights at the top that you can switch on as well, which is always nice on the top and on the bottom bunk. Next we have our bathroom, and again guys, this is a perfect size. I love that it has a tub for the little kiddos, but I love the natural light that comes in here, but it is a nice size, plus you can have a seat and not worry about bumping your knees. You've got storage here, and then you have a sink that you just bring down and use. It's just, I love the space that they've used in here. I love how they let's start over. I love how they have used the space in here so that everything fits, but it's not too crowded. All right. So, but you guys let me know what you think. But let me tell you, this unit, because of course it's a Rockwood, but the price, it's a 2024 Rockwood, and the price is, I mean, it's less than $30,000. It's about, I think it's $26,995. Such an amazing price for this unit, especially being a 2024, never been used. Absolutely just a stunning unit, and it's fiberglass, so it's super light, but just well made. So you guys let me know, what do you think of it? If you do want information, please be the first to call, because again, it's a pre-owned unit, so it is going to go fast. Those are the fastest things that leave because of the huge discounts that we give here at Funtown RV. So let me know if you are interested. We'd love to help you out, show you around. Ask for Rachel. Of course, my information is in the bottom. You can call, text, email, but let me know what you think. All right, guys? All right, until next time.